Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rishika. I hope you are staying home and staying safe. So today in this video, I'll do a 5-minute, not even a 5-minute DIY, and I'll be doing dot paintings. So if you haven't done dot painting before, and you don't have the tools which you need to do dot painting, I recommend just look around your house and search for things like this pen. Yeah, it has a flat part here, so you just need to dip it in the color and put it there in the surface where you're doing the dot paintings, and it will create a pattern, circle pattern. Yeah, that is the dot. Pick dot. Okay, now things you need to do is you can search for, yeah, a pencil which is bit thin in circumference, yeah, compared to this, and so on. You can look around your house and find things like these, and thus you can create a circling pattern there. So I'll be using this box. This is a watch box with cardboard box, and I have painted it black. I'll paint another coat of a layer of black on this. Yes, and I'll do a dot painting here. Let's check the video.